So we started up here with our axis, right? So x is this way. Y is which way? Towards me. Okay, and then we've got our surface with our level curves drawn on it, right? And now we're asking for a physical interpretation of what does f x y mean, right? So I'm going to take the x derivative first. So that's going to tell me about near this pipe, right? That's kind of the point I'm interested in. And I'm thinking, okay, on this side, I've got some x slopes, right? So this guy's what? Maybe a little shallower than 45 degrees. This one's about 45. That one's about 45. That one's a little less. And then the one down there is way less, right? And so I'm asking, what's the y rate of change, right, of those slopes? So can you guys give me a sign for that thing?
Well, from here to here, it would be negative.
So which way does it have to go?
Towards positive y. Oh, towards positive.
Yeah, it's got to go in the positive y.
So from our first to our second, it's a positive slope.
Right, because the slope is getting steeper. You guys see that? In the x direction as I move in the y. You guys cool with that? So I'm asking about the change in the x slopes through the y. So I'm definitely getting something that goes from 0 to slightly positive to a little more positive, right? And then if I went over here, right, my reference point was here, what would this sign be? Yeah, it'd go from positive to 0 and then negative, right? Because they're getting shallower on this other side. You guys see that? It's kind of like concavity, right? But it's weird concavity because you're asking about the rate of change of these slopes as you move in a direction that they're kind of not, right? You're not moving along the tangent lines at all. You're moving perpendicular to them. Cool? So now we've got it set up the other way, right? So our tangent line slopes, right? Those are in the Fy direction. And now I'm asking how do they change in the x as I vary, right? So from my reference point, right, my pipe sticking up, if I move a little bit that way, what happens to the slopes? Yeah, they're increasing, right? So the sign of Fyx is also positive. Is that a huge surprise? No, because this looks like it should be one of those surfaces, right? That's continuous kind of in all the ways that it could be. Cool? Questions, things? Does that kind of help a little bit? It's really asking how fast is that twist happening, right?